Changes in Matter with Chili the Ice Cube by Amanda Hamburg. Once upon a time there was an ice cube named Chili. He was positive he was a solid. He had a definite shape and volume. Also, changes in pressure never affected him, and his particles were packed tightly together. One day, Chili visited Texas. It was very warm outside, and Chili melted into a liquid. He went through a physical change. He was still water, just not in solid form. He still has a definite volume, but now his particles are less packed and he can vary in shape. As the day got hotter, Chili started to evaporate, causing him to change from a liquid to a gas. Now he has no definite shape or volume, and pressure can affect him. His particles are loose and can move around. As water vapor, Chili travels up into the air. It's very cold, and Chili goes through condensation, transforming him back into a liquid. Chili meets his new friend Raindrop, who is also water, and they talk about substances. All of his life, Chili knew he was a pure substance, but he never knew he was a compound. Since Chili is water, made up of 2 hydrogens and 1 oxygen, he is a compound, meaning more than one type of element put together. An element is another pure substance that is a single particle with 1 atom found on the periodic table. Raindrop tells Chili about the time he met iron, causing him to go through a chemical change by rusting him. His identity was completely changed, making a new substance. Once Chili returned to the ground, he got into the water system. Chili started flowing out of the faucet into a glass. Suddenly there was powder pouring into him, and someone began to stir him up. He became Kool-Aid, making him a homogeneous mixture. He was the same color all throughout, and you could not see any powder. When Chili was put on the table, he saw a bowl of milk and cereal, a heterogeneous mixture. He could see the pieces of cereal floated in the milk. He could easily tell they were not blended together. The cereal asked Chili to explain his intensive properties. Chili asked what intensive property is. Milk tells him it is focused on the physical quality and the amount does not matter, such as color and density. Chili is water, and as a liquid, his density is 1 gram per milliliter. Milk starts to explain that extensive properties are the things that can be measured, such as mass, volume, and length. Suddenly, Chili understands change and matter.